back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you into the kitchen and decorating my coffee bar for Valentine's Day and freshening up that space, giving it a good wipe down, and adding some chocolates for Valentine's Day as well. I love to decorate my coffee bar area for all of the seasons and switch it up, and it's like my little area in the kitchen that usually stays pretty clean, so it's like my favorite spot in the kitchen. So I'm going to take you along and decorate it and clean that area. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here is the decor that I've pulled for my coffee bar area. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this area down. It needs a good wipe after getting lunches and coffee. Sometimes we prepare lunch over here, so I need to wipe down the surface, wipe down up here and down here, and then decorate this, and then fill the gumball machine with the Valentine's Day chocolates. Yes, please. I picked these up from Dollar Tree this year and I forgot to include them in my haul. And this one, I had them in the kitchen waiting to go on my coffee bar, and I was kind of playing around with some ideas on how I wanted to use them, and then I forgot to share them. So sharing them now. And then I have my Rakuten clock as well, and this happy cup, and I'm going to pair that with a few things to be like happy Valentine's Day, happy hearts. And I have my marshmallow cups, and then this is a Starbucks cup that I have that is pink. Thought I would go ahead and include that. So let's get right into decorating the coffee bar for Valentine's Day. Oh, and I also have this "You Are Loved" heart up here, and then our sign that stays here all year round. This home runs on love, laughter, and cups of strong coffee. So yes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Times are tough, they're always changing everywhere I go. The world keeps trying to mold my life and everything I know. All that I have done, that I have lived through. I know I'm a sinner here in everything I do. But I'm singing here, take my life now, all of me. All that I am, Lord, all that I can be. Take my life and form it, do what you need. Everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep. Yeah. In my life I see your grace and all that you have done. You wrapped me up in your arms and held me, I had become. You gazed down in my life, I was caught in your stare. There I found the peace of mind to let my soul lay bare. Now I'm singing here, take my life now, all of me. All that I am, Lord, all that I can be. Take my life and form it, do what you need. Everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep. I just want to thank you, Lord, for making me brand new. Now I'm standing here, all for you. Lead me where you want me, God. Tell me what to act upon. Tell me, Lord, I'm living all for you. Take my life now, all of me. All that I am, Lord, all that I can be. Take my life and form it, do what you need. Everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep. I'm singing here, take my life now, all of me. All that I am, Lord, all that I can be. Take my life and form it, do what you need. Everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep. Yeah. I'm giving up my life. I'm giving up my life. I'm giving up my life. I'm giving my life. Take my life now, all of me. All that I am, Lord, all that I can be. Take my life and form it, do what you need. Everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep. Yeah, everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep. I'm yours. Everything is all for you, I'm yours to keep.
For today's video, I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, I'm a homeschool mom to 4. Have an almost 9-year-old, a almost 7-year-old. He'll be 7 in a few months, but I have a almost 4-year-old and a almost 1-year-old. So here on my channel, I share a homeschooler journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So definitely stick around if you are new here, and stick around if you are returning. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and happy Valentine's Day as that day gets closer here, as it's next week. But I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.